y'all. So yeah, I bought a new car. Been wanting this car for a while now, and I got a good deal on it. It's a 2001 Subaru Impreza 2.5 RS. It's a four-door though. Oh yeah. Well, that's okay. My intention with this is just a daily driver for right now. I'm gonna fix it up and, you know, have fun with it. One thing that sucks is it is an automatic, but it only has 70K on the original motor. I guess 70K on this whole chassis. Look at that. So that makes up for, you know, being automatic. Everything's basic. Installed my head unit on it. Probably gonna install my speaker. Oh, I also have a subwoofer in the rear. Under seat, you can't see it, but it's pretty nice subwoofer. But yeah, let's take a look at the engine. Pretty basic. 2.5 EJ 2.5. I did install a new radiator because it had a little leak on there. Couple scratches here and there. This hood vent definitely needs to be resprayed. Kind of faded. Original 6-point RS wheels. Sorry for the salt. It is still February in Wisconsin here. Here's the corner panel rust. Nothing crazy. 2001 car. Gotta expect some rust. There's some rust there. I do need to get some new trimming here. It's peeling off. Not sure what happened. I bought this car off of a friend, and he told me the original owner said it faded and it started peeling, and they just taped it back on. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get that replaced. Should I get some JDM taillights? Or some rear bumper spats? Ooh, that sounds nice. Here's the other quarter panel. Looks really good on this side here. I'm gonna do a antenna delete. Got that coming on the way here. The other rust spot here. Nothing crazy. It's not eating through yet. No, sand it down, bondo it. Repaint it maybe? Who knows? Wrap it. Here's the other side. It also happened on this side. Yeah. But yeah. Said I'm going to do some maintenance on it. Show you guys what I'm going to do. Or show you what I bought for this set of maintenance. Much needed stuff here. Oh yeah. Thank you, Rock Auto. Pretty generous with the price on Rock Auto. Well yeah, let's see what we got. I have a new fuel filter. Gosh. Yeah, buddy. Got that. Got some spark plugs. Probably gonna do compression test as well, since I'm pulling out the spark plugs. Got some rear brakes, front brakes, and rotors. This thing's squealing, but I'm gonna fix it up. Be a nice daily driver. Well, that's lame. This is what sucks about working on older cars. You get bolts that get stuck. As you can see, the caliper bolt got stuck. I got one of it off, but the other one did not come off. I ended up using a grinder and cut off wheel, cut the head off, it came right off. Now there's a stud sticking out. What are my options? Drill it. That's an option. Use a propane torch, MAP gas, or you have oxyacetylene. Heat that fucker up. Use a vice grip, crank her down, and hopefully it comes off. Or get the welder out. So the whole point of the welding technique is you find a nut, preferably just a little bit larger than the stud, so you have enough to weld inside and penetrate on the stud, and the heat will help loosen out the rust and shrink the stud just a little bit so it can come loose out of this bracket here. So let's give that a try and see how it works. Let that cool off for a bit. Yeah, buddy. I guess the other option would be buy a new bracket. Fuck that. Save myself like 40 bucks right there. There you go.